So in my video with Cammy on the sheep game earlier today, I was explaining about how to hold the blades, because most machine shearers have their thumb and fingers forward on the handpiece, but on the blades, if you put your hand forward like that, then you'll either cut your finger, or if you have your driver set so it holds your hand way back here, then the part of your hand that's exerting the most pressure in here is actually quite far back on the handles. Whereas if you put your hand square through the handles like this, your thumb on the little thumb rest there, then that part of your hand where you're pushing down and you've got the most power is nice and far forward on the handle, so you can get the most force to cut the wool. And by having your fingers square across, you don't have to worry about cutting them. Now, a lot of people shear with their hands like the South Africans, and it's the same thing there. You want your hand still square across, but you shift your thumb over. Now, my cockspur is hitting my thumb, so I'd need to tighten that driver just a little bit to there, but it still means that that solid part of my palm is nice and far forward on the handle, so I can exert the most power up there. Because if I have it further back here, you have to put a lot more pressure for a lot shorter distance, and it's harder work. You're better off having it further forward and exerting less pressure over a longer distance, and it will mean that you can shear a lot more sheep in a day without your hand wearing out.